Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hopefully, you all are very fine and everything around you would be going very fine. Everything to you would be very fine, and everything by yourself, by your hands, would also be very good and very well. So, as you know, we have a relation to you through our videos, and we are making them continuously to make your life easy, to make your social media more interesting. And we are here with another application software that is Noted, and in this app we are going to tell you that how to add notes offline without any internet connection and without any payment of it. So as you know, without any payment of it. So when we are here to tell you about offline apps, we are also very excited. So first of all, let's see how to use it. Now we are in the app, and after its opening we are going to tell you that how to edit notes here. For now, you can look over here. There are many options on the screen. Getting started, above there is settings, and on right top there are many hashtags and many other things. We are in the next step now, and here we are going to edit a text. You can also buy a premium of it, buy an updated edition of it, but often almost we are not going to pay for any app and going to use it offline or an internet connection. So now you can also add to Siri here, like you can also speak here through Siri. You can also make your voices here, and you can also make voice notes and text notes here. So that is the place where we have could add the voice notes, and now further you have what to do, like you have to do here to add your voice, just like you are going to message someone on WhatsApp in your voice, through your voice. So the next step here is to get the premium, but we have already decided that we are not going to get it, so just skip the step and go to further. Now you can edit a text here. I am going to tell you that which editings you could make. Very first option is caps A and small a. Now here you can look just the editings we are going to make online could also be made offline here, and that is very easy to make a content here, to edit many options, many new options, many new font sizes, many new headings and headings sizes, colors, fonts, many things here. So just go to the very first option, like after first there is second, and here we can edit the size of the heading, that could be large or medium. Next option is about adding a content, and we are going to write here a word content, and that is very simple, so on, so on, and so on. So you can add a content, how much you can add, how much you want to add. So if you want to add something in bold letters, then there's a B on the screen over the keyboard, then you can have to just tap over it, and like I am writing, you can add just a bold content here. After it, if you want to add any italic style here, you have to click on the I, like italic from I, and you can look over here that it is added now in italic style. Sorry, the bold is clicked mistakenly. Now we have to add italic, so we have to unclick the bold B, and we have to click over the I, and this is the italic style. So next, if you want an underline under your content or under your heading, your subheading or any other word, you can also make an underline here. You can look just by tapping. When it would be red, it means this button is on. Last is strike through. It means that one line will cross over the word, just like it is going to cross over the content word here. Further, you can also make all these editings just to one word, and all these editings, like as you know, have to look over here that all the options are going to be red, and bold, italic, underlines and strike through are all on, and you can look over the word that it is bold, it is strike through, it is in italic style, and it is underlined as well. So you can also make each option separately to one word or one paragraph, and all of them to that thing. Now if you want to change the color of the strike line here, then you the line that is going to allow you to type something here, You can also change blue, green, yellow or orange. Next, what we have to do, you can search any attachment, you can search any word, you can search any note you have already made to this app. And just look over here, we are going to add something like we have nothing to do.